Hello everyone.
Cái nó lần về lại thầy nó mấy nào để mà in với in hiện nào để mà nó tóm nó tắc tắc anh đi tổ cái nó chân chút nó tu khian nằm đói nào bên mình cái này tôi đã cho mình lâu này tiêu mấy theo mà sẽ chat làว่าnó tu cái này lâu cho nên Mars ni thở Mars thà thà ni rồi cả hiện nên anh tiêm mà cho anh với cái trong này tôi hay Hmarchapuibai Hmarchapuibai hi thak lu tuk lo wa Hmarcha te in kati thaka Hmarcha mizo Hmarcha te tai am chi kha mizo rom tang min ron thuna van he Dalkan ania he Antamtlak nia he hi Hmarcha te sa cheng alin ka bawl tui do no to the chan mo naw nei mai tur ni mai la kain sum thei thlot lawa Nghathu ka ro ta Zawngtah hi min ron thona wang khan ka en liam thei thlot lawa ka ei do na em mà tìm là tụi ra cho cái ngay á, cái khi chú tụm bút với cô lên nhà thêm tổ tụm này ra nó cái bằng.
Also have some bean egg from yesterday.
Cầm ba chú bean chum lệ, ăn tui chum.
Bean, onion, rice, and one egg. Do not spoil from yesterday.
Anh ấy chú, nào đủ sắp tới đâu. Anh thao mà rồi tụi cô mua. Sao thì tôi đủ tụi con mà xem đủ sắp bắp trên này.
You want some?
Sao? Cái máy hand sát cái bị lỗ vào nên xem chập ấy vào mà xem anh nuôi cái anh phải là mà xem chuyện mà phải làm bằng cái rồi bawl chuyện à, chọn làm bằng hết chú cái mà hen cái đồ rong cái xem mà tiền cái xem bằng làm hết, mình này bui về mình à, giờ thì cái chôm măng á mà thu rồi cái ấy á,
Some
dal.
No.
You want pickle? You want some?
I'll pick it.
You can't have it, baby. I have two more actually.
So good.
Let's see.
Oh.
Middle pickle.
I want to put this here.
Okay. You can try this too. And also this is so light. Not spicy. This one.
No.
No?
Not spicy. I will pick it. Yeah. This is pepper from Spain. The translation.
We wrap how to so anh các bé. Tôi tục. Được không?
So good.
Bây giờ chú đủ về đấy.
You put some.
Ăn sữa.
Yeah. Good.
Zawngtah mất thì Zawngtah mất thì.
Nothing like the other. Right?
The one is not right. The one I had is not right. Hmarcha nên cái về
So on the other video I was correct, right? That the other one is not edible.
lúc tụi cái cầm ba phải cho nên thiếu thì rồi mà nằm cái phủ đâu mà vậy thì cũng mà vậy khát khát thấy mẹ là xia có phải sao xong cái non lệ cả lệ ta lúc tụi bốc xong cái thiam lâu này thì ra bây giờ làm trong cái canal có cái chả tam những lần thôn vắng vắng dùng trả tên nền sống chục tên nền nào này rồi ai tụi nó mình lần thôn dọc tắc cái nhau mà xe nào này mà in lần khen xe cái em liếm thấy thật rồi
Also, we did not do these videos for a little time, 1 month, because because YouTube asked me to verify the identity, and I put the wrong email, so YouTube locked us out for 30 days. And only after 30 days we were able to reconnect everything.
Email แบบนี้กันเลยอ่ะแล้วก็เราเชื่อว่าคอยส่งใน YouTube กับมันเขาเชื่อว่าเราติดสวนปะละมั้งจะฟังจนที่สมทุ่มชุ่มกันหาไงอ่ะที่สมทุ่มกันหักตังมาบ้ากับไก่หมาที่กะเราริดเวทบ็อกซ์ก็ถัดเชบ็อกซ์ลงบอลแค่กระเป๋าตัวก็เก๋เต็มมือเว้ยมั้งโอเคเดี๋ยวนะเก๋สวยๆเว้ยเนี่ยบอกว่าNo, I'm not.
I'll pick it. No worries.
Okay.
Quite spicy. The chili. Però.
Yeah.
Quite spicy.
Mi sa Hmarchapuibai.
Mi sa Hmarcha.
Mi sa Hmarchapuibai.
But I think there was this time we find some dry chili was even stronger than this.
Really?
I think so.
I don't think so.
No? I'm not sure. Also was a long ago.
Ôi Dalkan le Nghathu rod le mo Antamtlak hi chu mo in rem ve
I like that pickle.
Pickle thì có đủ đồ mà chứ. Wait, I'm saying something.
Oh.
Pickle thì có đủ đồ cái mà sẽ vai. Các bạn đó hay cái đó mà vai một số loại cái thì thấy nó tụt tờ rồi. Vai đồ ra khan mix pickle khan bawl liền tổ men lâu rồi thì cái này à ôi một số loại aturu no to ka ai le thai si lawa yan mi zau siam pe ko he kana va ka cha te la tu mo pe ko ni non thon tu kan til to
The difference.
so la tu tel thawa ma sen na sa law na sa tu law ta
The difference is like that one from 5-star is masala with pickle.
yeah
And miso is pickle with masala the correct way. I think that's the difference.
vai do kan le ha tu mo aturu em kon pickle so la sama ni mo cái đồ rong cặp mấy tháng rong cặp tuổi như tuy thế đó bà mà xe thì cái đồ lâu liền về tổ bốc này cái hạt chí nó cầm phải hàng cái tấm nó tổ khi lão thế đó mà cái chú thầy thế là ba cầm một thầy thế bốc gì đó cái hạt nó tục cái tiền nó tầm điệu ấy tổ số mà sẽ phải tùy chút nữa mà nó tùy chút nữa nó tôi làm tùy chút nữa cực kỳ ấm lòng cho cái lạc được rồi. I want more rice.
You want more rice?
I can take it. I can take
You
it.
can take it?
I can
Tak
take it.
letuk. Ketak letuk.
Hello, Tuma.
But tasty.
Do you also want more rice?
No, no.
Hey, if I cannot wake up, if I cannot sleep, if I cannot sit up, then you carry me. Okay.
I'll ask boss for that hoist. No?
Wait.
To carry.
Okay. Cái rồi lên rất choáng này à. Wow, khóc lắm. Sẽ cái rồi. Dalkan lệ nó thu rột lệ Antamtlak cái đồ ăn kia. Chú ba cả Zawngtah tự suy khé rất khé này lắm. Hmarcha bawl lo om bok, Hmarchapuibai om bok si. Full?
Yeah?
Eat more. No?
Not sure.
Okay. If you don't want it, okay.
If I eat a little bit more, I'll have plain. Yeah.
So, I'll eat.
You can eat. You're eating for two.
Cái hạt nó tịch.
Cái hạt nó tược.
Cái đây đâu.
Cái tê đâu. Anna. Because end of the pregnancies, all the body gets painful. Cannot sleep in good position. Almost there.
Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow. We'll see what the doctor thinks. I think so. I think maybe when they do the tests, the water may rupture. Because you tomorrow make 40 weeks.
Yeah.
The complete 9 months tomorrow.
Yeah. Nak lúc khi ca sum đi na, chập quán nó chết rồi na, mà xem ca sum đi bắt khát này cái bộ nông bề chuyện nó mong, là phải là đi toán, lúc đó có cà phê là mình này thì là đi toán, mà nhiều cả mình này thì là.
But by not the medicine like the Portuguese old knowledge, it's not tomorrow, it's after tomorrow because of the moon. I told you before.
Yeah. Thà mình dấu bất cái này về thôi, thà thade an chiar thin ti ang lang chi kama ni po yan an lo nei ve ya tha ai tha ku na thade ti ra
The baby have to have all the moons to born. That's like the correct the way the Portuguese believe is have to have the full moons.
Oh really?
9 moons. 9 complete moons. That's why they say when a person is not very good from the head, you say that person don't have all the moons.
Like full moon.
It don't need to be full moon. Imagine it can be like a full moon or new moon. You know, you have to be just complete.
Complete 9 months. Complete full month.
Full moons. Imagine like imagine like it's like new moon. Complete new moons. 9 new moons or 9 full moons. You know, like because in the old times people did not have calendar, so they guide by the moons. That's why.
I can understand full moons and full
No, it means
month.
imagine like you get pregnant on a full moon. You have to count 9 full moons. Imagine you get pregnant on a new moon. You count 9 new moons. That's how they did it on the old time. Now they don't care about that. They count 40 weeks, the medic. 40 weeks, it's in 40 or 41 weeks. But you see, we tell mommy, look, they say on this time. She said, nope, the full moon is on 28. The new moon is on, full moon is on 28th of February, so the baby will born. It's like all people.
Full moon is on 28?
I think so. Yeah, look, now on the one it's almost full moon. Really almost full moon. So tomorrow, after tomorrow is completely full moon.
Khade an chiar ve lo zo ko ni chu. Khabia an chiar zo ko ni chu. Ke ni mi zo win thade tir. Có sẽ chiang rồi mình đâu ra thade tir kan chiang dan to sẽ chiang.
Also do the same?
We have that kind of stuff, yeah, but
Yes. All culture have. Because old times people don't have money to buy calendar or watch. So they have to guide
and
by the
also
star.
there is no calendar and what at the time.
Yeah. Here have, but only the church have it. The rest of, or like the very rich person. If not, they don't know. It's just another day. Also, we always use moon because of the sea, you know. The sailor go to sea and easy to count the moon, and also easy to know the stars, to know the way they would need to go.
Maybe we can eat more.
Yeah. Will not explode. No. Okay. Then eat. Eat whatever you want. You need it. You don't like the shell? I like everything. It's quite good, your way of cooking that. Chef Mizora. I think you also like the traditional way of here to cook that, right?
I haven't tried, I don't know.
I think you try just fry with oil and salt.
That is the traditional way.
Yeah.
You also do that.
We also do that, yeah.
Yeah. Fried chili.
Yeah.
So simple.
Yeah, simple. But like if you go to the region of that pepper in Spain, not very close by, they just cook that like that. They just one spoon. They only do like that.
And also I need some dal. Some more dal. Thank you, very nice. Thank you, very nice. Nghathu now. Nghathu.
Let me see your phone. If the last video, I'm not sure if there's some people.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Maybe. I think so.
Really? I have to?
No, because the last video we did was me cutting your hair. So we never say.
Cái Hmarcha cái bawl thì mà Hmarcha cái roti là khăn sa cái tiền đó cái thịt này là, sa cái thịt chi, cái đuôi nó là, thay vì tập vào hàng chỉ cái ngâm, cái đuôi tôi có chỉ mà xem, cái tầm thịt rồi, cái chờ lâu à, cái đuôi nó là shit. What baby?
This person gives so big comment. You already respond to her. So big comment. University application form. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Cái Zawngtah đó.
I'm not sure. I don't think so.
Xoài bốc xí. Akor akuang cái tiêu thề đó.
That's edible.
I know, I cannot.
It's just messing with you.
Cái lông trạ cho ai đâu nữa. Các mà thu tê mà đâu mà. Các bể choáng rồi. Đây là ai đấy rồi. Zawngtah cho dầu tổ.
No, I think you're right. Do it now. this cup. Do it now. You just say that.
Can I see?
Yeah. Do it now.
What else you say?
I know. Do it now. Do it now.
Đâu cần nó say lào. Lầu.
Low. I say how I want.
Nó say là
Too low.
tuy lầu.
Too low. Ow! Ow! The accent from this part of Portugal have a lot of that, like ow. So I think maybe I just say by mistake, you know. Hello.
Anh chồng tôi lắc lẩu đó.
No, don't have it.
I'm going to explode.
You want to explode?
Don't pick the needle.
That bamboo thing to poke the coconut
Oh.
that they give. They give like this tiny piece of bamboo here when you buy a coconut, so you can poke it and put a straw to drink.
Mau cái này về bắt lẩu vàng hắn. Mau cái mò. Ông lộn cái gì mày. Ngày sáng. Ăn mau này về chân chân mà té té. Bục chiro chiro.
I still hurt. Now it's almost healed. Because after drinking the coconut here they do like a very thin cut, and you have to break it to open to eat the inside.
Coconut tùy cái in độ ra cầm đây chú tùy cháu in tắc bể các cậu in xa tắc cả và chú không rồi cô nào không rồi cái dày lẩu đó nhưng mà chém tê khám phê là đúng không? Phê thành sẽ là cô nào vẫn chua cái step up. Dia na chua chut ke kha na kuta ata.
Yeah, the coconut like only crack a tiny bit and did like this, but my hand with this part was holding like this to break it, and it opened and pinched me hard, and the coconut's gonna become stuck to my hand, so I continued to beat it until it broke. And then, oh. Don't say that. That's a bad word in Portuguese. It's a bad word in Portuguese.
They don't understand.
Now they understand because I told them that's a bad word. It's F word in English. I don't want it to demonetize the video because of bad word. Yeah.
I'm going to explode.
Don't explode on video.
Olé.
Olé.
Kapuan lutuk.
Bye bye all. See you. I don't know when.
After Amberborn.
Yeah, after Amberborn. If not tomorrow, after tomorrow, or I don't know. She born when she won. Bye all.
Bye bye.